Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and I'm very excited as I am releasing a new card class for you. This is the Merry and Bright card class, and it is the fourth class or the fourth stamp stack out of the 2023 Christmas card series. Now this one, as you can see here, features the Merry, Bold, and Bright suite of collections, which I am in love, and I know you're going to be very excited when you have that. Like I said, this is the fourth one, so if you're just catching now these, you can go back and see on my tutorial store at creatingwithali.com/shop the other three that we have done. Right now you can get already the PDFs for those, or the tutorials for those. Now this one is the one that I am going to be mailing the kit, and let me just talk to you a little bit about the class. Now this class, like I said, is a stamp stack, so you make 3 of each of the different cards, and so you get a total of 12 cards in your kit. You will also be getting, when you pick the option with the kit, you're also going to be getting a half pack of the Merry, Bold, and Bright Designer Series paper, which is really great. I love it because it goes really well for the holidays, but also the bright colors can go fairly well for like birthday cards. I am really liking this one. Again, you get half a pack of these, and then you're also going to be getting a full spool of the translucent ribbon, which is this one. I love how it looks. And then as far as the embellishments, I did use the discs. However, those have already, or those are right now unorderable, and so I won't be able, let me show you here. So if you have them, great, you can use them. However, they're not going to be back on time for when I need to be mailing this card class, and so I'm thinking about substituting with the pearls. These are the ones, the in color, which kind of go with the same colors, if you will. There are some greens, there's blues, reds, so I think it's going to go really well. So, and again, if you already have this pack, you can substitute with those. However, for the card class packet, I won't be able to mail it if they don't come in on time. Now, I will be checking up on those just in case they do arrive earlier, and if so, I will include the disc, which is the ones that I use for this class. Also, this class, you're going to be needing to get to have the Merry and Bright stamp set and die set, because this is where you're going to be getting all the pieces for your kit. I don't stamp anything for the class that comes in this kit, mainly because I'm not allowed. Now I am going to be die cutting and pre-embossing everything that is not included on the bundle, but you do have to have this bundle to assemble your cards. Now I will be adding an option in the registration link for you to add it on. So far the bundle is available, so I'm gonna have it there in case you want to get yours sent with the kit. So anyway, this option, the one, like I said, the one with the kit to make the cards, is going to be $49 plus $9 shipping. Please note that you get also a tutorial with video tutorials, or the PDF tutorial with a link to the video tutorials, as well as all the measurements for the cards. I love doing video tutorials because I feel like I can give you better explanation on how to do the different things, and so I'm sure you're gonna love it. So anyway, like I said, that option is available through the link, through registration link. So please email me at ali@creatingwithali.com so that I can send you the registration link. Also, if you're already in my mailing list, which I always have it on the description of my videos, you can go there and check it out where it says stay in touch with Ali, and I think it's something like bit.ly/stay in touch with Ali. That way you get on my mailing list, and then you get all the registrations links without you having to be asking me for those. So anyway, now for those of you who might be outside the United States, because I only ship the kits in the United States, but for those of you who are outside of the United States, or you are a demonstrator, or you have already everything and you just want to get the tutorials, I do have the option available at my store at creatingwithali.com/shop, where you can see the class, and you can purchase right there, and immediately you can get a link to download the class. So anyway, let me know if you have any questions. I'm super excited about this class, and I hope to see you in this class. So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.